Hey, I'm Paul Butler, one of the client partners at New Leaf Training and Development, and I'm so delighted to be serving as the host for this CIA webinar series. Ryan, for someone that hasn't heard of CIA or doesn't know what these webinars are all about, could you fill those gaps in for us?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Paul. My name's Ryan Turnbull. I'm with Commercial Insurance Associates, employee benefits team. And so we are a large, independent national brokerage firm that focuses on both commercial insurance, but also on the employee benefits piece. And we started this seminar series about a year ago. We had a lot of clients asking us for addressing a lot of the top HR related issues, whether they be legal or strategy pieces. And so we brought together some fantastic speakers, including Brian and yourself, to deliver excellent content to our clients, friends, and business partners.
Oh, thanks, Ryan. Thanks, Ryan. Brian, you are obviously on the docket for the next quarter. Brian, what's the headline of your session and what's the benefits of people attending it?
Well, actually, Paul, thanks so much. I'm actually very excited about this particular presentation because I'm going into some advanced HR issues for those HR professionals out there who know more than just the building blocks. So on October 15th, my presentation is really going to focus on some of the deeper dive issues that HR professionals are facing, including a wage and hour update from the U.S. Department of Labor, where we stand on independent contractors versus employees at a federal level. And then finally, I'm going to touch on the One Big Beautiful Bill Act and some of the fallout that we're seeing with employers not quite understanding these concepts of no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and the mistakes that many, many businesses are making in that area. And then we're finally going to close up with an update on many of the retaliation claims that have made their way through the EEOC system over the course of the last 12 months. So it's going to be a deeper dive into four specific topics that we're going to be able to help HR professionals prepare for.
And if I could, Brian, one last question before I hand back to Ryan for any closing comments. Am I right in thinking that attendees can also get credits for these?
Absolutely. All of our presentations this year have been approved for HRCI credits. You get one completed hour of credit for every one of our webinar series that you attend. You even get a handy dandy fancy certificate that gets printed out by my team so that you've got a record of your attendance at one of our training programs.
Brilliant. Well, Ryan, I can't think of any reason why a HR professional wouldn't attend this. Is there any closing comments from you?
Yeah, I would agree, Brian. Really looking forward to your presentation. Thank you both. Anyone who's viewing this video, if there are any topics you'd love to see, please drop us a line. We're happy to add additional speakers and planning our schedule for 2027 already. Please stay tuned and look in your inbox for an invitation to the next session.
Beautiful. Well, thanks for taking a moment with us today, guys, and I shall see you soon. Bye for now.